All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel here at Truck Report Geeks. So, got a good video here for you today. Let's talk about the brand new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 that's coming out here. The order page from GM is up and running. So, if you want to order your truck now, you can. So, meet the 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500, the truck built to deliver strength, innovation, and dependability. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, exploring rough terrain, or just cruising your daily drive, Silverado has the capability to get the job done. Let's take a closer look. The Silverado 1500 starts at around $36,900 US and features a wide range of trims, from the work-focused work truck trim all the way up to the premium high country and the off-road ZR2. It offers serious capability with a maximum payload capacity of 13,300 pounds. And, towing capacity of 13,300 pounds. And a payload capacity of up to 2,260 pounds. I don't know about you folks, but I wouldn't want to be towing 13,300 pounds in a half-ton truck, but that's me. This is more than just a brute strength, though. Chevrolet backed Silverado's quality claimed it's America's #1 full-size pickup with initial quality and most dependable full-size pickup, according to J.D. Powers. Well, I do agree there. It's probably the most dependable full-size pickup right now. But what really sets this truck apart is how Chevrolet blends capability and advanced technologies, smart features, and capable interiors. Let's dig into those next, okay? The 2026 Silverado offers 4 engine choices, letting you tailor preference to your needs. TurboMax, it's 310 horsepower, best-in-class 430 foot-pound of torque, with an active fuel management and auto start-stop. And then you can go up to the 5.3 Ecotec V8, produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pound of torque with a dynamic fuel management. Or you can bump yourself up to the 6.2 Ecotec V8, the high-end option for power. It has 420 horsepower, 460 foot-pound of torque, but it's only available for the RS, LTZ, High Country, and ZR2, of course. Or you can go with the diesel, the Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel, 305 horsepower, and a class-leading 495 foot-pound of torque. And 28 miles per gallon. So it's got good fuel range. These engines are paired with an advanced transmission, 8-speed or 10-speed, depending on the engine, all engineered for balance and power. And when it comes to towing and trailing, Silverado doesn't leave you guessing. It offers up to 14 camera views. There's the catch. Now, it offers up to 14 camera views. That's probably if you want to spend the extra money. A tailoring app built in and features like trailer side blind zone alert. Now, the Silverado's exterior is all business. Strong lines, bold grille designs, and more purposeful hardware. Some trims go more sporty and aggressive, but everything is built to perform. One of its standout features is the Durabed. Chevy claims it's the best-in-class standard cargo volume, with 12 standard tie-downs rated for 500 pounds each for each corner. Additionally, Silverado offers a multi-flex tailgate with 6 configurations. Now, let's go over some of these options here. A primary gate that opens from the key fob or switch. A load stop to prevent long items from sliding out. You've got a fold-down inner gate for reach. A fold-width step. An inner gate load stop, and inner gate that also serves as a work surface. These features make it easier to work with the bed, organize cargo, and do more on site. Off-road versions like the ZR2 and the TurboMax bring serious capability. Factory 2-inch lift, skid plates, locking differentials, rugged wheels, tires, and the ZR2 Multimatic DSSV dampers and cut bumpers for enhanced angle approach. Now, the interior technology and comfort. Step inside and the Silverado shows its modern side. Whether in crew, double, or regular cab configurations, you'll get a thoughtfully laid out cabin with comfort and connectivity in mind. So you get a 13-inch touchscreen display with a 12-inch digital driver information center, a 15-inch heads-up display. You also have the wireless Apple CarPlay, Chevrolet built-in, standard Wi-Fi hotspots on stereo, of course. Now, safety is paramount when it comes to the Silverado. It brings a robust suite of features in the Chevy Safety Assist, which is standard in all trucks. So the standard features, of course, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist and lane departure warnings, follow distance indicator, teen driver technology. That's a new one now. I wonder what that is. Teen driver technology. Rear vision camera, four-wheel anti-disc brakes, electronic stability and traction control, rear seat reminder, tire pressure monitoring system. Also available enhancements, of course, if you want to spend a little extra money. You can have the enhanced automatic braking system, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, red cross traffic braking, red cross, oh, sorry, take that back, rear cross traffic braking, front and rear park assist. You've got the rear pedestrian alert, HD surround vision, trailer side blind zone alert, and up to 8 cameras with 14 total views. Now, the Silverado's lineup is wide, letting buyers pick a trim that matches their needs, of course. You know, you've got the work truck custom, you've got the LT, RST, LT Trail Boss, Custom Trail Boss, LTZ, High Country, and ZR2. You also have special editions to choose from this year. You get the Redline edition with red and black accents, black badging, dual black exhaust tips, and black wheels, etc. You get the Midnight edition, the TurboMax Blackout, and the AEV Bison edition. This is only on the ZR2 models, of course. Why choose the 2026 Chevrolet 1500? Because it's just as a truck. It's your partner in work, adventure, and everyday life. For the contractor or business owner, the Durbed tie-downs, multi-flex tailgate, and towing support make hauling gear and materials easier. For the weekend off-roader, you get the ZR2 and the Trail Boss if you want. For the daily driving person, Silverado's modern interior connectivity and advanced driver assist make it comfortable and safe. For tech lovers, the optional Super Cruise and trailing, built-in Google apps, and built-in camera settings. If you want to experience it for yourself, here's what you can do next. Buy and build. Go online. Config colors, figures, features, and powertrain to your taste. Maybe go to online and request a test drive. Check current offers. There may be promotions or incentives made depending on your region. Visit a dealer. See models up close. Feel the interior. Compare trims. That's what I would do. I wouldn't just go by the website. I would just go there and check it out myself. Let me know in the comments which trim you features or you're most excited about. I'd love to dig in a little deeper. You've seen the capabilities, the tech, and the ruggedness. The 2026 Silverado 1500 looks to be a compelling choice in the fullest size pickup space. All right, folks. Thanks for watching this video of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. Don't cost you nothing. If you want to subscribe later, well, so be it. For more vehicle knowledge and walk-arounds and reviews, don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any future updates. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.